it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare pedicure for gel overlay, gel polish application. Also, you will see how I'm fixing Swarovski gems in tiny little heart. I've stopped practice doing pedicure about a few months ago, so it's all still quite new to me. At the moment, I'm practicing on myself and my two daughters. So far, I did not notice any issues with the toenails health. So I keep practicing and make my girls and myself happy with beautiful pedicure. In pedicure, a slightly different technique on preparation and gel application. And that's one of the reasons why I want to start learn and practicing. If you are a self-learner like I am, or a beginner, I hope you can find some helpful tips in this video. And if there is any question, put in a comment below and I will always try to help you. At the moment, make yourself comfortable and let's start the DIY pedicure tutorial. So here we've got a 7 weeks old manicure. That is not right, of course, it have to be done much earlier. Doesn't look too bad. What we can do, we can see what is after I removed all the gel polish. So start from sanitizing it. And I've got carbide nail drill bit and I will remove the nail polish. So now I will gonna file the free edge with 240 grit, always using that one for the pedicure, doesn't have to be a much bigger grit. So I'm going to remove the free edge and filing the nail plate to give that rough surface. So now after filing, I'm going to use the wooden pick and push the cuticle around so I can remove the dead skin with the nail drill bit. Now I'm going to use a nail drill bit with a blue marker. For this skin, the blue marker is a very good working, cuts it very good, so all around the cuticle, the nail sides, just to remove all the dead skin. After cleaning the cuticle area with a nail drill bit, I'm going to use my little scissors. They are for left-handed. I'm a left-handed, so they're very comfortable to use. They're slightly bent on the end. So I'm going to cut the cuticle. Okay, so all the preparation is done for these toes, and now we're going to put the toe spaces and doing the gel overlay. just to dry the nail plates after I've been using the what do you call it? Spray, whatever is cool. Once the dehydrator is being dry, I'm going to apply primer, very thin, not touching the cuticle nail sites, just something that will help the gel stick much better. Leave it for 1 minute, not blowing, not trying to help it to dry. After primer is dry by itself, I'm going to apply the rubber base gel. Just very thin, very thin. On the toes you never apply a lot, just a very thin coat. 1 mil away again from the cuticle and nail sites. Now it's time for the nail polish, gel nail polish, and I've got one from Born Pretty. Yeah, it is a white one. Now it is a second application, and I'm going to help myself with a thin brush just to go around the cuticle and nail sides. So after I've applied 2 layers of gel polish, now I'm going to put the top coat on these 4 toe nails, because I will not gonna do any design, and on that one there will gonna be a design. On the big toe, we've decided to make a little heart on the side with the gems inside. So now you will gonna see how I'm doing a little heart and put the gems inside. So for me fixing the gems inside a little heart, I'm using the rubber-based gel and then put gems on the top and cure it 30 seconds, and then I will go around with the top coat and fixing it with the top coat. So all is done now, and I'm going to apply the cuticle oil, and then it will be ready for photo shoots.